So I stopped by the office to take a look at my footage, and I'm still not pleased with footage from the right side of the helmet, and still not all that happy with the sound I get on my HJC helmet. Now I know why I haven't used it in a while. So I'll have to look at some other mounting methods for the other helmet, hopefully one that won't break like the Pro Shot did. But with the Scorpion helmet, my options are limited as it's so contoured and aerodynamic in the front. There's no room to adhere anything significantly large to it. But it's better footage than off the right side. And it's certainly a quieter helmet. I wouldn't call it quiet. The Scorpion AT is not quiet, but quieter than the HJC I have. Not so much at low speeds. Again, this HJC helmet was just fine up until 60 or 70, but on the highway it just got to be a bit much. All the Harleys are out enjoying the good weather. I have ordered 2 helmets. An Arai 1200, which reviews and people on the Facebook groups have said is quite quiet, and another Scorpion Road helmet, since I'm so comfortable with the Scorpion ADV helmet I have. Hopefully one or both of them will be quiet at road speed. If not, I'll send them back and just keep using my Scorpion, which is quiet enough, I guess. Oh, that's a bummer. Oh, a kid on a dirt bike. I mean, he stopped for the red light. That was something. That's a bit of a problem in our area, especially Troy and Albany. They're pulling kids over on ATVs going down through the center of the city. Dirt bikes. Well, patience is a virtue. Should not run too many red lights. One a day should be enough. Change, please. Oop. Now I'm in the walkway. Probably not a lot of people crossing this road. People put loud pipes on these bikes. The Facebook group and the message board are full of recommended incredibly loud pipes. But then how would I hear the great sound that the inline four puts out on its own? I can't imagine the sound from the pipe would be better than the sound of the engine. And this pipe doesn't sound half bad. It's quiet, but not bad at all. Especially given that it's a 20-year-old muffler. Silencer. Still sounds good to me. I cannot express how much I like my new Renthal bars. All of the tendon pulling and discomfort just disappeared. Great $60 upgrade. I'm sure if I was 25 years younger, I would appreciate what this bike shipped with, but not with my old arms. Tendons get weak with age. They do not like to be stretched. I honestly thought he was going through. A nice bike out. Still a school zone, even if the school's been closed for a year. I'm sure they're still ticketing. Looking down at my gas tank that I filled 2 days ago, I am pretty sure this is more expensive to take to work than my car is. It just absorbs gasoline. I'm used to my KTM 390 where I put fuel in it, and next week I put more fuel in it. This seems to be an every other day bike. What a clear day to be riding. I do hope to get out later.